everybody, welcome to Puppets Custom Cars. I've got an unboxing for you. Got a new channel sponsor, a company called Flashark. A lot of you probably haven't heard about them yet, but they have all kinds of auto parts. And so they sent me a sample of one of their parts, and I want to share it with you guys. So as you see, it comes in a plain brown box, so nobody knows what it is. We open it up, and the first thing we see is this little control box and a little remote. Pretty slick. Plug-ins, all that kind of fun stuff. So let's set that to the side for now. Let's get in the box and find out what we have. Got a little bit of weight to it. So what everyone needs, an exhaust cutout. A couple of nice things about it. Definitely some nice welding on it. Little power control that plugs into an extension cable, of course, with all your wiring and all that fun stuff. But the coolest thing is this is heavy duty. I mean, it's really heavy. Look at the thickness of the wall here. It's just phenomenal. Let me grab a. So as we know, regular tubing is about 009, give or take. Actually 005. But the flange on the cutout side is 0.26. So you don't have to worry about this getting worn out for any reason whatsoever with this nice output. Definitely well made. You got your bung here that holds your unit together. Got a nice electric motor that is bolted on, and not like a lot of them where you can't get this motor off to replace it. And then of course the coolest thing about it is, like I say, you get all your wiring and everything you need. Opening size of this particular one that I've got. So inside is 2.39, outside is 2.5, I would imagine. Yeah, 2.5. So 2.5-inch exhaust. They also make them in 2s and I believe 3 also. This is Flashark. This particular one is part number 30001. Set that aside. But what's cool is you hook it up to this little control box. I like how it's got the little holder for your thing. And then you open it via a remote control. That is really cool. So we're not putting this particular one on the Nova, but it is a good candidate for the Mustang because it's got a catback exhaust system on it anyway. So this would be a good addition in front of the Cat because it's got an aftermarket Cat. But this would definitely open up that exhaust system and let it flow. Most definitely. Since I got to replace the tip anyway, I might as well put this in place. That'll be in a video that'll come up pretty soon. But definitely a nice piece. They also carry a bunch of other parts. They just came out with a set of heads, big block, small block. I believe all different kinds of heads. They're bare bones heads, so you can put your own titanium valves in them. You can choose whatever push rods, whatever springs you want, if you want to run rollers or not. I'm hoping to get a set of those pretty soon, and that way I can show them to you, and we can throw them on the old 350. Definitely, it'd be a nice one because it's a roller motor. But this is really a nice product. You guys should check it out. But yeah, I'm either going to put it on the Pinto or the Mustang. I haven't decided yet which one's getting it. Probably the Mustang, since all I got to do is cut and insert this into place, have it welded in by a shop, and it'll be good to go. But yeah, other than that, that's a pretty cool pretty cool part. I'll put a link to their website down in the description, and I'll also get you a coupon code. Right now they're running a bunch of specials, so definitely something you want to check out. Some of these, they have them where you can actually control them with a phone app. I'm not sure if this one is or not. I have to look real quick, but yeah, pretty cool. Got all your settings over here, everything you need, your plugins, but definitely a really neat part. You got your wiring harness, fuse is already in place. So yeah, you just put the power on it and you're good to go. So most definitely another company to get some parts from and get some decent prices. They sell them individually or in pairs, and like I said, there are multiple sizes. So definitely this is something you really want. At least when you see the cops coming, you push the button and fly it again. Open her up when you're ready, or if you're at the track, push it with a push of a button and you're ready to run the full course of the track. But yep, definitely a part. Like I said, I'll have a link down in the description, but this is definitely a new ad for probably the Mustang. So with that, make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.